My colleague Aishwarya Paliwal, who's joining us live on the broadcast. Aishwarya, while everybody was waiting to hear from Rahul Gandhi to what he'd have to say this time, whether it would be as loaded a hydrogen bomb as he was promising, as he has promised in the past. But the kind of examples he stated this time around has certainly shocked one and all to what really was happening. I mean, a Brazilian model being portrayed as a voter in Haryana, having voted across 10 booths 22 times, and many such examples that he stated. I mean, the entire country wants to know the truth behind these allegations.
Well, definitely. Let me tell you, Suisha, what was happening as Rahul Gandhi was speaking about the fact that he's got proof. He's shown pictures. In fact, he also got people who spoke on video, on camera, and they said that in 2024 Lok Sabha elections, they were the ones who had voted. But when it came to the state elections, they found out, to their dismay and to their utter shock, that their names, in fact, were deleted. And when they applied for the new voter ID card, they only got it after the respective state election got over. Rahul Gandhi now pointing fingers at the ECI and saying that whenever we go to the ECI asking for the CCTV footage, because if we get the CCTV footage of the booth, then the Election Commission now says that A, they cannot give us the footage, and B, it is for the security of the people that the Election Commission is not giving us that footage. So serious allegations are being made. Rahul Gandhi also simultaneously said that these were the voters who actually voted for the Congress party, and their names were being deliberately either deleted, or people who are voting for the BJP, they are being allowed to vote not just in a certain state. Also, Rahul Gandhi spoke about the fact that there are certain people affiliated with the BJP voting both in the state of Uttar Pradesh as well as the state of Haryana. BJP, from what I am understanding at the moment, will give a reply to this, and also the Election Commission will come out and will be responding to what Rahul Gandhi has said. The Commission, however, so far, what sources have told us, Swesha, they are saying that is Rahul Gandhi in fact batting for the SIR, and why no appeals were being made. The BLOs, the BLAs on the ground, they would have told the Congress party in the state as well as at the centre that something is wrong. Why were no appeals being filed? That's the question that Election Commission now is asking Rahul Gandhi. Suesha.
Oh yes, absolutely, Aishwarya, and we are very eagerly waiting for what the response on the other side will be.